Oh, Jesus.
Tash, hey. It's good. It's good. It's just a simple traffic stop. Alright? But I'm tell you, your right foot too heavy. You drive too fast.
Andre, the papers pan the car up.
What do you mean the papers pan the car up? But I gave the money for sort out the documents.
When you give me money?
I gave you 30 grand last week.
Oh, you talk about the 30 grand and give me the other day. We're not talking about that right now. I'm almost rich. And besides, I spend that off. I never did not spend that for.
So you never remember where you have to spend it, pan, but you spend it nonetheless.
Just like how you remember for drop down the toilet seat whenever you use it. I'm a dropping there the other night. You remember that?
How that come up? How that even come up right now?
Listen, we need to figure out that way we need to figure out. I'm almost rich. God, if you never there, would I just give me number, drive off? Like I always do it. So.
Where's you gonna go?
I said if you weren't here, I would give him my number, drive off, and we would be good.
You just hotels I give police and them. Alright.
Be able. Don't think about it that way. Just pretend like you're my cousin, and we will be great. Just follow my lead.
Pretend like me a cousin?
Yes.
Me a favor?
You know, be reasonable. You know, we don't have no choice right now. You know, the papers panic car up.
Good evening. I'm Officer Woodland from the Traffic Division. You realize how fast you was going a while ago?
Yes, I do, officer. I'm so sorry.
You was going 18 or 50 miles zone.
Oh, wow. I'm so sorry. My sister, she has an emergency, so I have to go to the hospital really urgently. I'm so sorry. But you're right. My cousin here always says that my right foot is so heavy. I'm so sorry.
She's sick.
Yeah, she is, unfortunately.
Are your cousin there?
Oh, yeah, that's my cousin.
Okay. Which hospital?
Yui.
Okay, but a pretty girl like you not supposed to drive so reckless on the road though. A taxi man behavior, that man.
So you think I'm pretty?
Well, if it was up to me, a beautiful girl like you wouldn't even be driving. You need a man to serve and protect you the right way.
So you're gonna reassure me then?
Cousin, you good?
Good man.
I'm alright, man. Don't worry about him. Wait a second.
Well, if you give me a number, you surely will find out.
I can, but let me give you my phone actually. As a matter of fact, let me just put it in my phone.
Alright. My God, man, but you're on soft, man.
Thank you.
Don't let them soft like your lips.
No. I'm a woman. I'm me woman. Me in our favor. Yeah, come on, man. Don't serve like your lips. Serve and protect. None of that. You see police like Uno? Their job, my boss. Please, their job. And people like Uno put the shan in a corruption. You? Jesus, I look and shake him head. Their job, man.
Officer Woodland here from the Traffic Division. I need a record for 23 Crookshaw Avenue, right by the bypass. Yes, right away.
Look how they're gonna go away.
What you matter about serve and protect?
Be no business. You're my cousin. That was the script. That was it. What the fuck side you never stay in your script?
You never like that.
It no matter what you like. See now the record come now. What we gonna do? How we gonna reach one?
I'm say cousin and cousin boy.
How we gonna reach one?
I'm say cousin and cousin boy are good soup. I mean I like soup.